Yo guys, what is up? It is the Korean Kid, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean Yeezy 350 Boost. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean Yeezys. So as you guys can see right here, I spilled hot sauce all over my Yeezys, and it just looks terrible. And I'm going to try to get that out using this stuff called Force Field. This is pretty much like discount crop protect. I get it all the time from Ross for like $2. And it comes with 2 premium brushes, 1 soft bristle brush, and 1 hard brush. This is to clean like the outsole, and this is to clean the upper. And yeah, let's just get into it. So I'm gonna show you guys what to do. So on the box it actually says to get a little bowl of water and to squirt it on the brushes, but when I use crop protect I don't even do that. So I just like to put 2 pretty big squirts into the water because this stuff is really cheap. And get the soft brush, dunk it in there and mix it up a little bit. Then kind of like try to get all the water out. And just go over the upper of the shoe very softly because you don't want to mess up the prime knit. And I'm just going to do this all around the shoe, and I'll show you guys a time lapse of me doing this. And I'll be back once I'm done.
My afro look just like that is. Y'all taught me how to go hunting. Blam!
Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got burn holes in my hoodies, all my homies think it's dank. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got burn holes in.
Okay guys, I just finished cleaning my Yeezys, and I'm getting at this rag, and I'm just gonna kind of wipe off all the soap bubbles off of the whole shoe so that any dirt that is on there that got lifted up from the brushes will just kind of come off. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this around the whole entire shoe, everywhere that I cleaned, so pretty much everywhere. And I don't know if you guys can see this right here, but pretty much all of the hot sauce came out, and the little bit that didn't will probably come off when I throw these into the washing machine later. And I'll show you guys that. But one thing I would say about this, like the brushes that it comes with, is that it didn't pull up any prime knit, which I'm very happy about. That was probably one of my biggest fears with testing this out. And yeah, it doesn't pull up any prime knit, so if you guys are using Force Field, don't be scared. And I'll cut back to when I'm using the washing machine to clean these. And without further ado, let's get into that. Alright guys, what you want to do after washing the shoes is put them in a drawstring bag that has holes in them so that the water can go in and out freely. Just put it in, put the washing on normal, cold, and auto, and put in a normal amount of detergent. Then start it up, and I'll show you guys the results after it's done. Alright guys, so I just took the shoes out of the washing machine, and as you guys can see, the stain is completely gone from where the hot sauce left a stain. And all around the shoe looks pretty darn good. The boost is nice and white, as you guys can see. It's no longer yellow like it was. And there's nothing really else to say about this. If you want to try to clean your Yeezys, I recommend Force Field, then throwing them into the washing machine for the best results. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.